Good morning, my angels. I am having a bit of a blah day. And the reason why I'm having a bit of a blah day today is because, generally, I try not to let things like this get to me, but every now and again, it always creeps up on me and it always hits me like a ton of bricks. But I went into town to get my second tattoo laser removal, and I got into town and I was like, right, I need to put some money in the car, for my parking. And I fully forgot my entire wallet at home. And I was just like, when you just think I've let someone down, I have forgotten something that I knew I was coming into town for. I knew I needed to have some change to pay for my parking. And it just kind of hit me and I was like, oh, and I was feeling a bit sorry for myself. And I thought, do you know what? No, I'm gonna do something for the rest of today where I'm gonna uplift my spirits. I'm gonna do some stuff that just feeds my soul, that makes me feel good, that makes me feel really happy. And I thought I would take you guys all along with me. Ignore my hair. It's a little bit frizzy. I think I might put a hair mask in it. I'm not too sure yet. But I thought I'd do my skincare routine with you guys and then just a whole bunch of other stuff that I'm gonna get up to today. So if you want to follow me along on this day of self-care, then please keep watching.
Are you gonna have a self-care day as well? Are you gonna have a self-care day? Come on then, let's go. Good boy.
Okay. I popped you guys on my tripod. Okay. Time to do some skincare. I'm gonna retie my hair. Let's put this a little bit higher. There we go. I feel like skincare for me in the mornings is such a grounding thing that I like to do because I know it's something that's constant in my morning routine. So I'm very excited. I have actually done a full-on in-depth of all the products that I use for my morning routine. So we'll link that below. Just already I feel so much better. To show you guys what Tupac is doing right now.
You okay there, Bubble? What are you thinking about? Are you reflecting on life? Yes, you are.
He's honestly so cute. I can't go over him. Right, my skincare is all done. I feel like the weather is a little bit hit and miss today, but I am gonna go out for a walk. I feel like nature to me is one way that if I'm feeling any kind of way, I just go out into nature. So I'm gonna go for a walk. I'm gonna take Toobly Poops with me.
You do want to go for walkies? Yeah?
We're gonna get him ready. We're gonna go for walkies.
Yeah? You want to go walkies? Yeah, come on then.
He's like, do we have to? He's so lazy.
You want to go walking? Come on, let's go.
How I have managed to position my camera in my car, but this guy is so smart. He knows the way to the park that we go to for a walk, and as soon as we get closer, oh my god, his squealing is next level. You guys will hear it in a second. If you're wearing headphones, I'm warning you right now. If you're not wearing headphones, actually, I'm warning you as well, because his squeals are so loud. He honestly sounds like a chicken. He does not sound like a dog, but he's just so clever. It's must be the trees or something that he sees, and he just knows that we're getting super close to the park. So we're only a few corners away, so he's going to start any second now. It's usually after this bend. Car stops.
You want to go walkies, don't you? You have to be a good boy. Double. Okay, ready? Ready? Yeah? When we get out of the car and then we go walkies, okay? Ready, good boy, waiting. Well done. Okay, you ready? Steady. Come on in. Yeah, good boy. Yeah.
So usually when I come for a walk, I bring my headphones and I listen to my meditation playlist. My eyes are watering, it's so windy outside. But today I haven't. I forgot them for some reason. I'm getting to experience and enjoy the sounds of nature, the sound of the wind, the sound of the birds. Tupac chasing the squirrels.
Tupac, you want a treat? Treat. Good boy. Wait. Good boy. Come on in. Get it. Yeah, good boy. Come on in.
I feel like sometimes when I do a walk like this, whenever I've forgotten or like don't want to pack my headphones, I do like a walking meditation. I use all my 5 senses to be really present in the moment, and I think about any thoughts that come into my mind. Sometimes I'll ask myself a question, why has that thought come into my mind? How do I feel today? But honestly, there's something so healing about nature, and oh god, apart from when Tupac goes to, yeah, there we go, come on. There's something so healing about nature that I just can't put my finger on. It's just the energy out here is completely different. Like, I don't even look at my phone whenever I'm on a walk. So it's so nice to disconnect for half an hour from everything and just walk, focus on my breathing, sometimes listen to meditation music. But yeah, I feel like I really needed this today. And just like that, we're back in the car. It's just started raining. It's like it was meant to be. Come on then. Sat down to have my lunch, and I'm having a bowl of vakareli khichdi. It's basically rice and lentils with like seasoned vegetables in there. For the seasoning, I've put things like hing, jeera, even fennel. I love fennel seeds. Some cinnamon, some curry leaves, a little bit of turmeric, dhana jeeru, garam masala, salt, pepper. It's delicious. So I'm gonna enjoy my wholesome meal. I feel like vakareli khichdi is something where you can be like, oh, khichdi again, but I love it. I realized how much I used to love it when I was little. I used to just eat like buckets, loads of it when I was little. But yeah, I've realized how much I love it and how much it makes my tummy very happy, and it's something that's really easy to digest as well. And since doing my Ayurvedic cleanse, I feel like I can cook this very quickly, so that always helps, especially if I'm like in a rush. But I actually made some for lunch yesterday, so I made enough for me to have today. And yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my khichdi. I'm gonna do it like without any distractions. I'm not gonna like watch TV or be on my phone, because I want to be in the present moment and just like enjoy every bite of it. And just like that, all this deliciousness is now in my tummy. Yum, yum, yum. I'm sitting in my spot on the sofa and I think I'm gonna watch a little bit of Vampire Diaries. I'm on season 6, episode 15. I am like a late starter when it gets to like jumping on the Vampire Diaries bandwagon. But I kind of thought I would watch this, and I love like arts and crafts and jigsaw puzzles and like using my hands to like do something. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of this diamond art thing that I've got. I've got all my stuff next to me. So I'm gonna watch Vampire Diaries and then do my diamond art. And I'll leave some links to places where you can get them, but I've got a beautiful like sunset kind of vibe, lots of pastel colors. I'm gonna do that now. Just made myself a cup of tea. I've made a rose and lychee tea, which by the way tastes amazing. I have a confession to make. I haven't done a face mask for ages. I thought, do you know what? I'm just gonna sit down, put a face mask on, have a cup of tea, and I haven't checked my phone pretty much all day. I love doing face masks and I don't do enough of them. I wish I could do one once a week, but I always forget. I'm really far away, hang on. I'm going to be using one of my favourite face masks, which is this one right here. It's almost finished. It's the Renavit Resurfacing Saffron Mask. I love it. You only leave it on for a few minutes and then wipe it off. Totally didn't bring a mirror either, so we're just going to have to use it like this. But I love this because not only does my skin look like instantly amazing once I've used this, but the next day, oh my god, my skin feels so soft. And I've actually got a sample of this before it even launched and I was like hooked from the get-go. But I love it, love it, love it. So I'm just getting this on all over. I probably have enough for like another round of this, but I do already have a backup. If you guys didn't know, I always keep a backup of my favorite products, so that way I always have something ready to go rather than freaking out last minute and going, oh my god, I don't have any left. But this is almost on and it's kind of like a jelly texture. It's really, really interesting. I've never tried a face mask with this kind of texture. But all that is my face mask on. And now I'm gonna enjoy my cup of tea, which, oh my god, isn't this weird looking after watching Vampire Diaries? But I'm gonna enjoy my cup of tea and catch up on my phone for a few minutes. Oh, and I also realized I have a yoga class tonight. It's like a relaxed, restorative, like calming yoga, which actually I feel like is gonna end my day so beautifully. And yeah, I'm very excited for that. Today so far, I'm just feeling so relaxed and I feel so much different than I did this morning. I love noticing how different I felt from like a stressful morning and then having a day for just stuff that I want to do, that I love doing, that puts me in a really good mood, and I'm feeling it already. So time to enjoy tea. Just like that, my mask is all off, my tea is drank, and you can see I've got nothing on my skin and I've got this like glow to it. It's like a resurfacing mask, so like it does kind of get rid of any dead skin cells, and the next day skin tomorrow is going to be so glowy. I'm just popping some Radiant Rani on just to add some hydration back into my skin. And I've got like a couple of hours until my yoga class, so I don't really know what I'm going to do next. I kind of feel like a part of me wants to do a little bit of work, and I feel like it's because we've got loads of like big projects coming up and my mind is just ticking. So I might do a little bit. I just, on these days like this, I just kind of go with the flow and I kind of see what I fancy doing. So yeah, I might just sit at my computer for like an hour or so and do some work, and then I can head on out to yoga. But yeah, tonight I think I want to get to bed early. I actually feel like I might do an evening meditation today as well. But that is the plan. And for now, I'm gonna go do some emails, do a little bit of work, and then yoga time. I'm all ready for my yoga. It is so bright outside. I kind of didn't realize the time. I thought it was like 4:30 still, and I had ages. But no, I'm gonna go to yoga now, and hopefully I'll feel so nice and relaxed by the end of it, because it is a restorative one. I'm very excited. I just saw 777. Thank you for all the signs. Can anyone relate to this? Because I love getting to places early, like having 10-15 minutes to like just get myself there, get myself in, relax. There's 15 minutes until my class, and I wish I was a little bit closer. I feel like I'm not going to get there at my usual time, and I'm going to have to rush, and I hate that feeling of rush, but I'm going to surrender to it. It's fine. I'm going to get there. I'm going to have an epic class. And now the lights turn green, so I need to go. I made it. I'm here. I'm on time. I'm not late. But now I need to rush and get in there. I have showered, I've had my dinner, I'm in the meditation room, and I'm going to do a little meditation this evening, and maybe listening to an audiobook or do some journaling. I just feel like it'll be good for my soul to just get things out there, focus on my mind, release anything I need to release. I feel like I really needed this day of just doing things that make me happy. And if you're confused on what to do on your own self-care day, make a list of things that really make you happy. Whether that's like, I don't know, putting a hair mask on, or tidying up your room, or going for a walk, whatever it is. Like, make a whole list of things that make you feel nice and calm and relaxed and safe and just grounded. And you can always go back to that list whenever you want. I call it my little toolbox. I dip into my toolbox whenever I feel like I'm having one of those days or having one of those moments. But yeah, that is a little starting point in case you're confused on where to start. But I am all set up. My crystals are nice and cleansed. I'm just going to do a little bit of breath work, a little bit of meditation, give my soul a hug that I feel like it really needs today. And then I think I'm going to, do you know what? I think I'm going to go into bed and read a good book and call it a night. I was going to take the camera into my bedroom and do some clips of me reading, but do you know what? I just want to have some time away from the camera as well. But I'm going to read my book in bed before I go to sleep. But I just like to say a massive thank you for watching this video. I hope it inspires you to have a little bit of a self-care day yourself. I'm sending all of the love and the light from my heart to you guys, and I will hopefully see you all in my next video. Bye!